guys, welcome back to my channel LiLBrO TV. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use Elythra in creative and survival. While falling, to start gliding, tap the jump button to spread the wing and control where you want. Let's try another one. Don't forget that balance is important for the flight to last. If you want to be a pro in flying, do some practice from basic to hard. Let's try it in survival. If you want to land safely and properly, you need to look at the dirt and sneak when you get close. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you on the next video.